guys, this is Germán again in another Just My review. Today I'm going to show you guys this guy right here, the Enacfire sound tank. This is an amazing little speaker that you guys will see is gonna blow up your ears. Stay tuned and we're gonna get back in 1 second. Okay guys, as I promised you guys, this is the sound tank by Enacfire. We're gonna open it and see what is in this box right here. Okay, first of all, we got the star guide, and as you guys can see, everything is real nice with all the directions and everything. Wow, real nice graphics. The time for basically charging, it is water resistant. Also, you can get incoming calls when you're using your phone. You can answer phones. It's very nice. And basically the rest of the instructions. Got the declaration warnings, and then I go to another languages. This is reading in different languages. English is the basic right here. Put this on the side. Also, you got this card right here, and it says Enacfire sound tank. Basically, it's like a quick start right here. Step 1, 2, and 3, 4, and the same thing for the other languages. Now right here we got the in case you guys got a question or something in different languages: French, German, Spain, Italy, UK, and English. 2-year warranty in these products. Very nice from Enacfire. And right here is this little guy that, to be honest with you, is heavy. It means it's wow. This must be a real good quality materials, because you can feel the weight right here. It's not something like it's flimsy or light, but it's real heavy. And look at the design, it's so gorgeous, real beautiful. Right here at the side. And let's gonna pair this thing and see how it works. Right here, before we do that, this is the charging port. And you guys can see it is using a Type-C connector. And you got a connector right here if you got a wired headphones also. But we're gonna connect it in this using the Bluetooth capability that is right here. You guys can see the design. You got the Bluetooth right here. There's the play button here, volume up and down, power, and also HD. What is this? A speaker? Speaker? Oh no. Okay. This is a speaker plus. Yeah. Okay. Let's turn this thing on and let's see.
Power on.
Oh nice, it's pairing right now. Okay, let's pair it with the phone and see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's see. I just press it on my wife's phone and
Connected.
nice. Okay, let's place something in here and see. Done. Let me go to check one of my videos. Let me go to YouTube because this is my wife's phone and I don't know where she got all the apps. It's right here. And let me check. Oh, we're watching a pregnancy lady. Let's see. Just my review. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's press this, guys. Instead of go to my channel, let's play this.
Las vacaciones se hicieron para salir de viaje y descansar. Ve a un lugar.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Start the volume down. Got a good bass. You can feel it.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na na na.
You guys can enhance the sound quality using this button right here. You guys, let me see if you guys can hear the difference. I'm gonna, it's pressing it right now. It's basically on. I'm gonna take it off. Yeah, you can hear the bass. It's basically going. It's very good. It's very, very, very good. The quality of this guy right here is very, very good, guys. It's awesome. It's real powerful, and for the price, it's amazing. It's not even $39. Basically, I think it's in sale right now. If you guys go and check it. But this Enacfire sound tank speaker is amazingly good. It's waterproof, and it's gonna take hours of battery of good music, or also you can answer phone calls while you're using this sound tank. Also, let me show you guys right here in the box is also the other items before we finish this review. And is the basically the cable where you guys connect the sound tank to charge it using any charger or using your computer. And this is basically if you got a phone jack, just plug it into your phone. And for example, if you guys don't have Bluetooth, just connect it to your device and then plug it to the speaker right here in the bottom next to the port C right over here. And guys, this is it. Like I told you guys, this is the Enacfire sound tank, and I'm gonna leave the link below. That way you guys can see this nice product right here. Like I told you guys, it's waterproof. That's one of the main things is people looking, and the sound quality is very good. Also, you can answer phone calls with this guy at the same time while you're hearing the music. All right guys, thumbs up. And guys, see you in another Just My review. I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you guys later. Bye.